chemical mixing, the application of resistant material, that means acidic or alkaline in nature, to certain portion of the workpiece. The desired amount of material is removed from the remaining area of work surface by the subsequent application etchant. The element of process, only two elements in the process. The first one is a muscant, second one is a etchants. Muscant has three types. First one is a screen resist, second one is a cut and peel resist, third one is a photographic resist. These are the three types: cut and peel muscants. First one is a raw part, second is a muscant, third one, fourth one etchant applying finished part. These are the examples of cut and peel muscants. The sequence process steps in chemical milling: clean raw part, apply mascant, strike and cut, peel the mascant from areas to be etched, etch and remove the mascants, clean to yield, finish the part. Cut and fill mascants. Cut and fill mascants are first applied to the entire part by the spray or dipped method. It is then cut from the area to be etched. High chemical resistance is obtained. Etching depth up to 1.5 mm, not used in application where the critical dimension tolerance are required. Cut and fill mascants material. First one is a butyl rubber, neoprene, vinyl. These are the three materials for manufacturing the mascants. This is called as the muscant materials. Photographic muscants. These produce etchant resistant image by means of photographic technique. When exposed to high contrast negative, the material can produce a positive or negative image of the negative itself, usually applied in liquid form by spray or dip or roll casting techniques. Photographic mascants used for thin materials up to 0.8 mm thickness, parts requiring a dimensional tolerance of etchant resistant image tighter than plus or minus 0.1 mm up to 1 into 1.5 meter section. Automatic process of high value components. These are the photographic or different type of masks. Chemically cleaning surface. The first, remove the dirt and particles on the top of the surface. Next one is a metal. Second one is a coated with photoresist. Third one is a photo tool. Fifth one is a etchant spray, developed image exposes to UV photo tools. At working the CAD data, as per the CAD data, the drawings are made by the CAD softwares, and applying procedures method usually are mentioned in 3D diagrams. Drawing or CAD data, photo tools, and provided photoresist stencil or metal etching, etched metal, each metal photoresist stripping. Finally, we got finished product. The metal selections based on the requirement, metal preparations, clean the metal, photoresist coating, sensitized material, photoresist processing. Finally, the CAD and material selections form and for the producing the finished product. These are the photographic masks. It has two types of photoresistors. The first one is for positive photoresist, second is negative photoresistance. These are the substrates. If they are positives in between and negative substrates, two columns. Apply the developer on the positive and photoresistors. exposed to light on the mask's photoresist substrate. Photography masks resist SiO2. These are the masks we already discussed in the topics. Positive resistance and negative resistance. Positive resistance means it slightly hide some of the dimension from the surface, but negative resistance remove the material in deep areas.